Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to block someone in your Samsung Galaxy A72. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy the Samsung Galaxy A72 and you are wondering how to block someone in your phone. In order to do that, for example, if I go in here in dial section, if I go here recent, I'm going to see here my all incoming or outgoing call. For example, I would like to block this person, so you have to click over there and then you have to click this option or a question icon, and then if you want to block, you can easily click here block, and that's going to give you a confirmation message. Do you would like to block? So obviously I would like to block this. I'm going to click here block. So this is how you can easily block someone in your Samsung Galaxy A72. Also, there is another way to block. For example, you want to block someone in your contact list, so you can click here contact, and then you're going to see here all the contact available in my phone. For example, I would like to block this number in my contact list. So what you have to do, click this option icon or information icon, and then if you want to block, you have to click this three dot and then you have to click here block contact. Also, this is going to give you a pop-up and you click here again block. So from now, if this person is going to call me, I'm not going to receive any incoming call or any SMS. Also, if you want to decide to unblock them, you can easily go here again in dial pad section and you need to click this three dot icon. After click on three dot icon, to click here setting. After click on setting, we're going to see here something say block number. In this screen, we're going to see all the block number is available here. If you want to also add more block number, you can easily click here contact, and that's going to give you a contact list. Let me go back. If you want to block a particular number, also you can type. If you want to unblock someone from this block list, you can easily click this, and that's going to be unblocked. Also, one thing more, you can also make here block unknown or private number in your Samsung Galaxy A72. So this is really quite interesting. So this is how you can easily block or unblock someone in your Samsung Galaxy A72. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.